Hello everyone, welcome back to one more episode of our Eyes Free channel on Android. I'm TV Raman.
And I'm Charles Chan.
And this time around we'd like to show you something completely different. So Eyes Free Shell and TalkBack have all been about spoken feedback. And people who work in the field of speech interaction in general, speech recognition in particular, often ask, why don't eyes-free users, in particular blind users, use spoken input? Sounds like an obvious question, given that finding controls on the screen and clicking them is hard. You would think that just saying what you want would be as easy as pie. Well, it is and it isn't. Typically, you don't end up using speech input when you cannot see, because you also have the system talking to you. And when your system is talking back to you, if it also listens, it ends up talking to itself and doesn't turn out to be very useful. So this was a problem we had when we sort of realized we wanted to use voice input with TalkBack. Android as a platform has a very simple, powerful way of doing voice commands. It actually uses network speech recognition and does a completely outstanding job. But that widget, if you will, that does voice search, pops up at a caption. It's a well done app, so it's not just a picture, it has text in it. That caption says speak now. Now if TalkBack were not smart about this, what happens is that TalkBack says speak now and the recognizer would recognize speak now, and you sit in an infinite loop. What TalkBack does is that it specializes the voice widget, and instead of saying speak now, it actually plays a little auditory icon that prompts you for the speech. And so what we have on the Marvin home screen is that if you stroke 9, it launches our special voice search widget. And it gets better than just voice search here. For a lot of things, for the eyes-free user, you basically want to say something and get the answer spoken to you without actually too much more interaction. I always say human-computer interaction is fun, but it's even more fun when you don't have to go interact with your computer, when things just happen for you. So let's show you that as a quick teaser here. You can try a lot of smart searches. You can do weather searches. You can ask for the time in a particular city. You can ask for a particular business. In many cases, we will come back and just speak the answer to you. You can ask for sports results. All of those things work. We will just do this demonstration for you, and I'll show you the weather in Mountain View, given that it's a nice, beautiful early fall afternoon that feels like the middle of winter. It's crisp and cold outside, so let's actually see what it's like.
Search.
Weather, Mountain View.
Processing. Weather for Mountain View. CA 66 degrees Fahrenheit, clear wind, and at 13 miles per hour, humidity 40%.
So as you can see, it's a clear, sunny, cold day out there. It's winds roaring around, and wind feels a lot colder than in the 60s out there. Thanks for watching, and if you are in Mountain View, enjoy the nice afternoon. Bye.
Bye.